Hi my friends and welcome back to our tier portal tutorial. In this lesson we will talk about the timers, and firstly let's open our project, program blocks, and open our main OB1 blocks. So firstly I want to talk about timers and how it works and which parameter it has. So my friends, first it's a pulse timer. The pulse timer has the two inputs and two outputs. It's our outputs. And first is the input signal for our timers to enable it, and is the input signals in. Next one is the PT signal. PT, it's a present time that we will set to our timers, and it's used the 32 bits, and also we use it like the int. It means that you can adjust time to up to 24 days and 20 hours, as I remember. Days and 20 hours. And we use the simple writing to adjust the time. We use the T, and then we use, for example, 1 seconds. Or if you want to set the timer to 1 minutes and or 2 minutes and, for example, 25 seconds, you used it like this: 1m dash and 25s. And the next one is our output. Outputs is firstly the Q outputs, and what we will set after the time is finished. And the next one is the current time, is ET, sorry, ET and current time. And my friends, also based on this timer, I want to explain you how it's work. So imagine we have the time graphs like this, and here we have the, let's do it like this, we have the output here and input here, or let's do it like this. It's our input signals, is our in signal. Let's write it like this. It's our input signal, and this is our output. And imagine that we set our time to 1 second, and we have the input signal. And input signal is long at 1 second. For example, we set it for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. And our output signals is still work for 1 second. It means when you apply the input signal to this input, our timer is activated, and our output signal is activated also for 1 second also, only for 1 second. And this means no matter how long you input the input, no matter how long you send the input signal, your output signal activated according to your times that you set in PT. And also, my friends, you must know that the changing of PT during the timer runs has no effect. And also changing of in signals during the timer is runs has no effect. And now let's make a program for our timers. Let's delete this one. If we have enough time, we will simulate it. Let's delete this one. And also let's delete this one and this one and this one, this one, and I think we will not need network 3. So now we must add our timers, and for this purpose we open the right side of our program and move to timer operation, and here we have TP, and we simply add it here. And also, my friends, all the counter and timer operation use the DB block, is data block, to store the value of your timers. And let's give name of our timer is the TPUS. US, I think. Or write it together. And press OK button. And now we must adjust and configure with our timer. So for PT, we use the 1 second. Press enter button. And for ET, if you want to show the current time, let's use the MD0. And also let's assign the output. And here we use the Q0 dot. Press enter. I think let's change it for 5 seconds because maybe we cannot observe the timer running. And now let's compile our project. And I get error about I have the open branch. Let's delete it. Delete. Now compile again. Now I don't have any errors, my friends. And now let's start our simulator. So my friends, I open our sim table again. Oh, my computer is also not good for the tier portal. And let's open the pag 1. And here we have the false now. Let's now change it to true and observe what happened. Press enter. Now you see the timer is start and after 5 seconds is it disable the output. So my friends, that's all for today, and I wish you good health and good life. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you enjoy the video, and see you in the next lesson. In next lesson we talk about another types of timers. I think we talk about additionally talk about two types of timer, and another one you will be learn in our future projects. See you in the next lesson.